get a pen, get a cup of coffee, and repeat after me, my friend. Let's learn English together. Cutting board, cutting board. I chopped vegetables on the cutting board. I chopped vegetables on the cutting board. Rolling pin, rolling pin. She flattened the dough with a rolling pin. She flattened the dough with a rolling pin. Colander, colander. Pasta was drained using a colander. Pasta was drained using a colander. Ice tray, ice tray. He filled the ice tray with water. He filled the ice tray with water. Freezer bag, freezer bag. Leftover food was stored in a freezer bag. Leftover food was stored in a freezer bag. Bread bin, bread bin. Fresh bread stayed inside the bread bin. Fresh bread stayed inside the bread bin. Trivet, trivet. The hot pan rested on a trivet. The hot pan rested on a trivet. Can opener, can opener. She opened the can with a can opener. She opened the can with a can opener. Blender, blender. The blender mixed fruit into a smoothie. The blender mixed fruit into a smoothie. Coffee maker, coffee maker. His coffee maker started brewing early. His coffee maker started brewing early. Rice cooker, rice cooker. Dinner was prepared in the rice cooker. Dinner was prepared in the rice cooker. Slow cooker, slow cooker. Meat cooked slowly in the slow cooker. Meat cooked slowly in the slow cooker. Food processor, food processor. Vegetables were chopped by the food processor. Vegetables were chopped by the food processor. Paper towel holder, paper towel holder. A roll sat neatly on the paper towel holder. A roll sat neatly on the paper towel holder. Napkin holder, napkin holder. Clean napkins stayed in the napkin holder. Clean napkins stayed in the napkin holder. Spice rack, spice rack. Jars lined up on the spice rack. Jars lined up on the spice rack. Placemat, placemat. Each plate was set on a placemat. Each plate was set on a placemat. Table runner, table runner. A table runner decorated the dining table. A table runner decorated the dining table. Napkin ring, napkin ring. The napkin ring held the cloth neatly. The napkin ring held the cloth neatly. Salad bowl. Salad bowl. Fresh salad was served in a salad bowl. Fresh salad was served in a salad bowl. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. Flour was poured into the measuring cup. Flour was poured into the measuring cup. Whisk. Whisk. Eggs were beaten with a whisk. Eggs were beaten with a whisk. Ladle. Ladle. Soup was served using a ladle. Soup was served using a ladle. Baking sheet. Baking sheet. Cookies baked evenly on the baking sheet. Cookies baked evenly on the baking sheet. Peeler. Peeler. A peeler removed the skin from the apple. A peeler removed the skin from the apple. Grater. Grater. Cheese was shredded using a grater. Cheese was shredded using a grater. Dish soap bottle. Dish soap bottle. The dish soap bottle stood near the sink. The dish soap bottle stood near the sink. Cutting mat. Cutting mat. Craft work was done on the cutting mat. Craft work was done on the cutting mat. Muffin tin. Muffin tin. Batter was poured into the muffin tin. Batter was poured into the muffin tin. Spice jar. Spice jar. He opened a spice jar carefully. He opened a spice jar carefully. If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to Your Next English for daily vocabulary and full lessons every week.